Hello everyone. Recently I did a video about Epson ET-4750 which was gone into printer inspection mode while I was trying to unclog my printer head. Now I have another problem, of course. I have a problem with one of these dampers, actually with two of them. When I take it out and suck the air out of it with a syringe, and take out the syringe out of it, I can see how the ink that I have sucked with the syringe, when the damper is full, actually the ink goes back into the ink tank, and I don't know why. It's another problem of this machine, obviously, but let me show you how I solved my my problem that I had before. Now the printer is at least responsive. It's not stuck into printer inspection mode. Here is a way how you can leave printer inspection mode. Of course, I'm not doing an advertisement about this way. It is a paid way. You should pay about it, but it's really not a big amount of money. It's only $15 US. What I did is actually I found this guy at authorized.com. As you can see, it's a Ukrainian website. There is a phone number to contact them. The guy is very responsive. You can contact him via WhatsApp. He will give you a link to download your USB network gate, and what you else need is, of course, TeamViewer. And so this is the website. As you can see, they offer a lot of services, repair services. They are repairing all kind of printers. They have also original firmwares. They have also spare parts, programs, and so on. So I found this guy, and I used his online service to reprogram my Epson printer, and he actually took it out of the printer inspection mode in just 15 minutes, online reprogramming the printer. And the interesting thing is that the local authorized service center of Epson told me that they should replace the motherboard of this printer, because when it goes into printer inspection mode, they said that the main board is damaged, so it should be replaced. So they were asking something like $100 for repair to change the main boards. And actually the problem, I was convinced that the problem was not the main board, because this thing here was moving the print head when I started it into printer inspection mode. So I was convinced that it was not the problem with the main board. It should not be replaced, but the problem was that it has to be reprogrammed. So this guy from authorized.com website reprogrammed my printer, and now it starts again normally. Of course, I should unclog the print head. As you can see, here is the TD4D1 maintenance box. I bought also a reset tool for it to reset it, because it's such an expensive thing to replace it on every 3 power cleanings. So I'm gonna inspect this problem, but now you know one more way to take out the printer out of printer inspection mode, if you somehow get stuck into it while trying to unclog the print head or doing something else with your ET-4750 or L6190 model, because they are equal for different parts of the world. You can call this guy. You can find him on WhatsApp, and he can help you. I hope I helped you, and see you next time. Ta-da!